So today I'm here with Mercedes-Benz to see how our need for speed and high performance really compare. Come on, let's have a look around. Good morning, it's lovely to meet you.
Good morning, Imani, and welcome to our EQC.
And this is fully electric.
100% electric.
So excited.
Should we get in and have a look?
Yes, I'm ready. Do you know what? Our track lives seem pretty similar. I feel the same energy in here as I do when I'm walking out to an electric stadium and I'm standing on the start line driving towards that peak performance. It's a feeling that's honestly unmatched.
So we're going to use a lovely full width of the track. So as we come out here, it's kind of middle of the road. Set, bang!
This is unreal.
Now brake.
I've had the best day here at Mercedes-Benz. Thank you to everyone for introducing me to their world of speed.